iko wapi? Kanisa limetoroka wale ambao ni kondoo. Kanisa lilihuzishwa kabisa kuja kwa uongozini kwa Rais Ruto na naibu wake. Kanisa limesahau kazi yake. Ndiposa wale vijana wamesema tutaenda kwenye makanisa, tutaenda misikitini, tutaenda kwenye zile masebule, tutaenda kwenye kaya ili kuwauliza, nyinyi ambao mnatakikana kuzungumza kwa niaba ya raia, mumeenda kitandani na serikali. Kwa hivyo itakuwa shida kubwa sana pale rais atakapokuwa anaongea. Swali la pili, lile tunalotarajia pale ni kwamba watapigiwa kelele. Swala ambalo litajitokeza, je, Rais William Ruto amejiweka mbele kama kiongozi wa bara la Afrika? Yeye mwenyewe ametoka pale Marekani kama kiongozi wa kwanza kuweza kuhudhuria pale. Itakuwa aibu kubwa ikiwa mtoto wake, mjukuu wake, rais na naibu wake ni wale wajukuu wake wanampigia kelele. Itakuwa ni funzo kwao waweze kujua kwamba taifa wanaloliongoza halimo pale Ikulu. Taifa limo Nyahururu, taifa liko hapa Legacy Plaza, taifa liko Nyamira na taifa liko Kisii. Lazima wasikize kile kinachoendelea. Kwa hivyo hii ni mwamko mpya. This is a wake-up call to the president. The question is, he's telling these young people, we have collected tax to pay for your fees. The reality is, the university fees has tripled. So, is there a connection between kutenga na kutenda, ama kusema na kusema? So the questions that the young people are putting to the president is very clear. And you have heard the young people are saying, the kids of the president must come out and identify themselves with the Gen Z. And that this is a very serious revolution, not with weapons, but a revolution of noise. The young people have read digitally, manually, through media, what Article 10 of the Constitution says. Transparency and accountability forms the basis of the principles of good governance. Any information or that is in the possession of government, Article 35 provides that that information is held in trust for the people of the Republic of Kenya. How much the country has borrowed, we don't know. That is a serious violation of the rights of the citizens. Who has been paid our taxes? We need to know, and how much. What did they do? Who is this lender? And that's why the Gen Z are saying, William Ruto, His Excellency, and his deputy will not pay that debt. The debt will be paid by these young people when William Ruto has left office. The burden, the government for the benefit of the citizens, is a continuous perpetuity. Any debt that is taken and signed by the Cabinet Secretary for Finance binds you and us. The debts of Jomo Kenyatta, the debts of Moi, the debts of Kibaki, the debts of Uhuru, the debts of Ruto shall be paid by the people who are demonstrating. So they are asking, we cannot be bound to pay what we don't know. Who borrowed the money and what that money was used for. So accountability is a constitutional right. They must now explain. And that is why they have said they will not keep quiet to be told that for each child unborn, the debt, a child who is not yet born now has a debt of probably 1 million shillings. That child, when it will be born, by the time it grows to reach 21 years to start working, the debt will be over 10 million per citizen. Why will that child do that? And that is why now there is an awakening all over that it is not William Ruto who is going to pay this debt. It is us. If we keep quiet, we will have to pay. And we must pay it. And that is why the agitation is rightfully proper. Mari, Kaseito West Mogrango, Kokwana Korua Legacy Heights Nyamira Anka, Ebili Njai Tete Bunge, Ebili Ye Koruk Finance Bilia Kusivaito, Nere Kiro Mwake Wetigua, Enchire Serikali Ekonyora Chibesa. Ekero yare tu asabantu, abantu bakanga, omugusio mugimulimwenga akanga. Ekero yage nete bunge, ababunge baito mbare batatu bane basirete. Egesongo kia basirete imbaigwa, bakabika yes. Babuateri tukorinde chumaine, uchenchi kiara baigure esauti yomugusia asere. Bari bagete no. Buno mujumbo West Mugrango, Steve Mugaka. Eke nyoroga n'abantu no gotenga guka bare bagogete na o tenenire neryogi yo mu West Mugrango. Inche buno mu wakiri ko West Mugrango na no mu wakiri o Kenya ngima na ende ngo support umujumbo West Mugrango na ende ngo support bari batenenete aba chumbe 115 na batenenete no mu Kenya. Egento kerikere mari geise goeta obo kongubora abere a cost of living amaguta rigo ryago chikogenda amaguto guyaka maguto ko egari magute pigipigi amaguto koruga keregento will go up igonde tabase gwanja gente kigete iswali tokobori neli chibesa President William Ruto asangiririe miaka ibiri chi trillion kibeza abantu chiawuriru abantu batanjiti amadeni twasabire ko China ko America ko kirasi amadeni asabire ko kibengi kirega abosongo na Nyamira nulimwenge ngima ngayikibese ikigoki oikabato tebiri tangani kibesa kiri basangirire myaka ebere asikiakia ayotegerere teke gusi bigererie parere gesona mwawo nebekire ran ngai kibesa ikigoki enyagetari es musinya inenero nebuata mariogo ngai kibesa basangirire ikigoki ntogo sangirire kibesa egasi yoka no gusangirire tutari gotebirwa ikigoki and tutari korora egasi kigokora igonche buno mu wakiri litukoria chumaine ninchembe maandamano naende bali babwatu bonsi pi ninchemba wakilishe for free bonsi pi naende ngoteba iga serikali ya Ruto esike media naroche abantu ba media bagukururwa baguhakwa freedom ya media igere protected na constitution na serikali ende yonsi pi tete go otanga media from otebe gento kegenderete igone manyetena na magoso itagete ikabe abantu bali bonsi pibagete chikura narocho yoga tundu ogotebana nyabere ga kinyabere tigaba chain open batene na sichire editions kiabagusi bakwane na pole yotwebete ga kitwabere tare chumaine batebye bayirie gentukiri the third reading Ibagandiro Yogosaba. Norena Bantori Barico to Sol. A Krova changetia, Gova Tebeten and Yasai Nyabiri. Bakaruku Paul, Bakababa and Tabaya. Abantu Tigaba Manena, Kenya Muriru. No Rochebono Monto, Obegete no, Obegete yes, Tahuchi boy. Vanavaye, Baguchi Skuru, Kera Bagoche Cheri. Mukaye was almost such or ye, Igagoche Cheri. Abande Baile Ruchisandu, Chievitondo. Abande neki demonstration chigendred igo eyene message very clear na umuchumbe tabu atinguru ende yonse ko deciding kya wake kura igakwira no buri abantu bari bamuchorete na bakomote binga kya wake kura